In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to put together a stick vacuum head. This is one that we bought from Kmart. This vacuum is about 2 years old and it had a jammed head brush. Right, this is the model on screen. Let's begin. First, try to line up the parts, see how they fit. Make sure the cables go into their cable management slots. This will prevent pinching. The microboard has its own seat, as you can see here. So now we start putting the screws in. This screw here is hidden under little rollers. Just give it a bit of a twist just to make sure it moves freely. The rollers simply just pop in. They snap into place, as you can see. These are easily removed with a screwdriver. Just to demonstrate, I'll just pry it out again. See, they come out just like that. Nice and easy. Just snap it back in again. Right, just making sure the cables don't cross any screw paths, because we don't want to pinch the cable. Notice the tabs on the side. Right. Again, just giving it a test to make sure it's still spinning freely. Now we do up these two screws that hold the window in place. Now here's the tricky part. There are two screws here. It's hard for the camera to see, just behind the brushes. It's handy if you have a magnetic screwdriver. Yep. Now for the second screw. Again, double check your wires aren't going to be pinched. Now we're going to put in the final screws to the body. Don't over tighten, and just do them one bit at a time. Then do a final tighten once all screws are engaged. And that is it. That's the whole head assembled and ready to go. I'm gonna assemble the unit onto the vacuum. Give it a test. Looks good. Now it's ready for more work.